ẹ̀yin tèmi ó tún ti ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí o. Primate Ayọ̀délé wọ́n tún ti mú àwọn ìran tó lágbára wá nípa ìlú Nàìjíríà àti gbogbo àgbáyé kákàkiri. Wọ́n ní wọ́n kàn fẹ́ da ìjọba Tinubu rú ni o, second term yìí wọ́n náà fẹ́ dàrú ni, nítorí pé kí ló dé tí wọ́n ṣe máa mú Nnamdi Kanu tí wọ́n ṣe tì mọ́lé. Wọ́n ní this is bringing injustice, that if you can not give firing squad to Boko Haram, you are just bringing injustice to the society. And if you can be integrating Boko Haram back into the society, and what has Nnamdi Kanu done? And he went on saying, what is the difference between Sunday Igboho and Nnamdi Kanu? Sunday Igboho is a freedom fighter. Nnamdi Kanu is a freedom fighter. And Primate Ayọ̀délé now emphasized on why not release Nnamdi Kanu as well. And also he gave a lot of prophecies all over Africa, all over Europe. So find somewhere to sit down. Let's both listen to his prophecies. This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Torí bàbá yìí ti sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ oríṣiríṣi. Then he now gave it another prophecy for Adeleke. He said Adeleke is going to win the election no matter how he sees it. He said Ambode is just coming to waste money for his election. He said you should go and relax and find somewhere to sit down. So please let's listen to the prophecy and drop a comment down below.
They wanted to do this in order to destroy Tinubu's second term. All right. Now, release Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu will not give you favor, will not give you victory, or not make you to lose. You are just giving him Nnamdi Kanu, you are giving more popularity as you keep him in that place. And let's be sincere, it's injustice. If you cannot sentence Boko Haram or let them face his firing squad, why are you keeping Nnamdi Kanu? Why? That is the question. You are just bringing injustice to the government. That the government is partial government. It's partiality. We are trying to create ethnicity complications. Release him. If you can say you integrate killers who need to be killed instantly back to the society, tell me what has Nnamdi Kanu done? What is the difference between Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho? Abi? They are freedom fighters. There's no difference. So these are the things we need to look very carefully. But you may not see it. You see, in Guinea-Bissau, the president there wanted to become a democratic president. The junta there. The politicians there were very angry. They would not want him. In DRC, crisis is coming, a very big crisis. That will somersault the third term of the Felix, who is the president. But it's late. The protest, the crisis is late. Felix will go for third term. The country might not be unstable. There may be so many crises that at the end of the day, Felix himself will face a big challenges. About the budget, here we've said to you that you see this budget is going to be a charade budget. We see what is going on now. There is corruption totally in this government. Highest corruption. This government has been eaten by corruption, which the president does not even see. Some ministers are even there, they don't even have money. No, they don't have budget. How can the senior president say that the budget have not been executed? So what are we now running in the government? That's the honest truth. So the whole system is in charade, which needs to be looked into properly. But telling the government the truth, you become enemies to the government. That's not the case. Benue with Akume, APC might lose. Not might. They will lose. If they don't do the needful. The needful. Swam or whatever they call it, the former governor, they must align together to make sure that they move forward. Otherwise, they will be kicked out. The crisis there, the party chairman cannot give Tinubu victory. I'm still saying it. You can go and buy newspaper and write anything. You give me more fame. It doesn't remove anything. You only make me more powerful than expected. Chelsea In the next season, they will have a problems. Chelsea, Man City. They will have a lot of problems. Let them watch very carefully. However, let some states in Nigeria watch against cholera. Let's speak from Lagos State, Benue, Plateau, Kano, Kaduna, Bauchi. Let them watch against cholera. Even a part of Abuja, cholera. Let's watch. Then Okoya family should pray. Let them pray all together. Why they must pray, I don't know. But it just say Okoya family should pray very well. You see, in Somalia, only government of national unity will make the country to move forward. Only government of national unity. Cameroon, your president is sick. Sick. Don't let this man die on the throne. Why can't you resign? Instead of you to die on the throne. Likewise, in South Sudan, the president there is only planning a kangaroo election. If it goes for another time, maybe 6-7 years, the election that will cause trouble is what the man is planning. Why can't you leave this place on time before you die on the seat of power? You are one South Sudan president. This election is a failed and fake election. You see, Faye and Nakinsa, they are still going to fight. All this, their realignment is fake. Usman Sonko, just stand firm. Election comes up anytime, you will defeat them. Because God is not backing Faye and is not going to give Mackinson any victory. Call it anything. In Kwara State, Saraki strategized well. Honestly, APC is not going to stand in Kwara except the rig. So if Saraki plays himself strategically, his party will win. I still stand by my word. Only rigging will remove Adeleke. Let Ambo is Abode. Right? It will be Abode to Oshun. Go and look for Oyinbo Abode. I don't know the Oyinbo. Abode found around Oshun. If you vote Ambo, you vote Abode. I'm expecting you can hit me, no problems. But that is the truth. It's Adeleke. Not even ADC. They are wasting their time. ADC, you are wasting their time. A guy that comes out in ADC, keep your money. Oh. Don't waste that money and say you are doing an election. The election is not going to favor you. Just give it to Adeleke at any time. He's the one, and he will do better. Say, Otigbuwo Adeleke. Go and ask if Adeleke has given me money. Go and ask him. Ambo. I've said this. You might say, go and say anything. It's none of my business. Buluwashi winning. In Nasarawa State, if there's no coalition, right, the only way you can defeat Wadada, Senator Wadada, is for other parties to form coalition. If you don't form coalition, Wadada will win and never will not form. We will win. You know, when I said the other time, first time, that Fubura and Wike will fight, a lot of people say, Irolongpa. Now, I want to say this ahead of time. Ahead of time. The Speaker of Ondo State, only God will save him not to be removed. Only God. People are determined to send him out. But if he survives 2 weeks on that seat, meaning that you thank God. And meanwhile, the governor is even in support of his removal. If you don't know, Speaker of Ondo State. But Yayi, you are the best. Nobody can defeat you, but they want to betray you. I still see problems in APC in Ogun State. I don't know what will cause the problems, but something that is not common. You will just start in Ogun State. Pram. That they will be exposing Yayi right and left. Yayi, be very careful. Don't be carried away by the moment. What you see in this moment, don't be carried away. America and Canada will fight too. They will fight. This climatic condition has not even caused anything yet, because there is still going to be wildfire in most of the country, like Germany, like Spain, like France. They should get prepared for this. And apart from this, let us watch. Let African president watch very well, especially Equatorial Guinea president will fall sick. They will package him, keep him. But I'm worried about the president of Equatorial Guinea. I'm worried. Mining. The government of Nigeria should put tax on mining. They will make money on mining through tax. Stop burdening poor people. Stop putting tax on poor people. They put tax on mining. And let's watch those that there will not be mining lies lined. Mining lies lined in Nigeria. We have to watch about this. 5 days to Zambia election. The president must not wear red clothes and must not eat salt if he wants to win. Then you might not take it seriously. You are on it. That opposition can use what is obstruct to destroy what the Lord asked for you. The Lord said to Samson, you are in Nazareth. Don't cut this your hair. But the enemy knows that immediately he cuts his hair, they can capture him. You can try it. You dare it. Wear red clothes. 5 days to the election if you not fail. Likewise, Ruto. You must not go and sign an agreement that you will not be able to fulfill. Be focused. You will do better than any other person. There's no alternative at the moment. But you must be carefully, be watchful, and don't do something that will deteriorate your victory. In Gambia, if the ruling party retains the seat, you go to court, you will fail. Now, they will rig you out. You will win, but the ruling party will continue. Because you have not been guided. And you go to court, you waste your time, you waste your money. At the end of the day, you will now be wastage. In Sierra Leone, the opposition is matured. The present government will continue until we now see matured person that can take over from him from the opposition. Then in the coming election, Mr. President, I don't know your name, Sierra Leone President, continue. Go and say anything. Take me to God's court. That is the man who will do better than any other person. The only thing is, if you take a wrong step, that's when God will say, I'm departing away from you. Therefore now, you are the best. In Uganda, you better change the military formation there. The president, Museveni, change the military formation, because there is a betrayer in your military system now. Very sensitive. Take it very serious, so that there will be no a coup attempt. Restructure. Do restructuring. Quickly. It's because God loves you. If He doesn't love you, He will not tell you this. Restructure. Urgently restructure. And be careful so that you don't lose any prominent person in your cabinet. In Uganda. In Botswana, I see calamity that can kill people, a flood that they have never experienced, that will even submerge buildings. Let them watch quickly on this. It's a serious matter. The Mama security in Ghana, take it serious. And in the upper Volta, be watchful against anything that will cause crisis.